Welcome to Urban Walks 4K. Let's walk and explore the city together. Villaggio Mall is a large shopping and entertainment mall located in the Aspire zone on Al Wab Street in the western part of Doha, Qatar. It was built as part of the Aspire Zone development ahead of the 2006 Asian Games and officially opened on 7th June 2006. The design is inspired by an Italian Venetian theme featuring interiors resembling an Italian hill town, complete with an indoor canal and gondola rides. The mall quickly became one of the Qatar's most popular retail destinations, known for its mix of high and luxury brands, family entertainment restaurants, and attractions such as the Gondola theme park with an ice rink, bowling, roller coaster, and more. It also has direct access to near facilities like the Aspire Tower Hotel and is served by Doha metros. Since reopening, Villaggio remains one of Doha's most visited shopping and entertainment centers, attracting tens of thousands of visitors daily and hosting a wide range of international brands, dining options, and family friendly attractions. Stay with me, let's exploring together.
Bro, there is this one. Okay. इधरों ही सिक्योरिटी ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ bro, where is gate 1? Gate 1. हैं? अमर तो का बह ही नहीं ये अमर पानी कड्डी फिर ही अपना मामू वो अपना पानी निकाली फिर रहा अमर यार इस गेट फिर आएगा this bro gate number 1 okay thank you